everyone, greetings of the day. Hopefully you are all safe. Today I would like to talk about fairly common but often overlooked ocular conditions, which is the conjunctival cyst. So, what is a conjunctival cyst? A conjunctival cyst is a thin-walled, fluid-filled sac that forms on the conjunctiva, the clear protective membrane that covers the white part of the eye and the inner surface of the eyelid. This cyst may appear like a small, transparent or yellowish bubble on the eye surface. The other question is, what causes a conjunctival cyst? So, there are multiple causes such as trauma or eye surgeries, like cataract surgery or LASIK. The another one is inflammation or allergies, especially chronic conjunctivitis. Next is blocked gland or duct, like accessory lacrimal glands. The other one is retention of epithelial cells during healing or injury. And in some cases, the cyst may be congenital, which is present from the birth. Let's talk about signs and symptoms of the conjunctival cyst. The most conjunctival cysts are painless, but patient may experience foreign body sensation like something is in the eye and redness or irritation of the eye, watery eye or mild discharge from the eyes, visible bubble-like swelling on the white part of the eye, and intermittent blurry of vision if the cyst is large enough to interfere with the tear film. And also, in some cases, the cyst may rupture and reform repeatedly, leading to ongoing discomfort. So, our next question is, how is it diagnosed? Diagnosis is primarily clinical through a detailed slit lamp examination by optometrist or ophthalmologist. In doubtful cases, additional imaging such as anterior segment OCT may be used to evaluate its depth or rule out the other lesions. And the most important thing is, what about treatment? See, in many cases, no such treatment is needed if the cyst is small or asymptomatic. However, if it causes discomfort, grows in size, or becomes cosmetically unacceptable, the following options are considered. Number 1 is lubricating eye drop to reduce irritation. The other one is topical steroid in inflammatory cases, and surgical aspiration where the fluid is drawn out under sterile conditions. Surgical excision, a minor outpatient procedure especially for recurrent or large cysts. It is important to note that self-medication or attempting to pop the cyst is strongly discouraged, as it can lead to further complications and infections. This is optometrist Ikra Fatma, proud to be a part of this optometry fraternity as well as a proudly dedicated executive member at Optography. If you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon of this educational channel. And if you have any queries, please feel free to share with us in the comment section. Thank you everyone.